Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another Little Me Plays. So we're just checking in on the Faction War update. So it has been second, third day, parang third day na yata of this update. So ito, ibang route yung pinunta ko. I went for the, I went to the Fort Sterling side. So we are at Cairndarg. It's a T5 yellow zone na malapit sa Fort Sterling. And as you can see in the faction chat, there are tons of messages popping in, telling where to go, and then where is the fight. So here they are. There's a Fort Sterling blob here, but I don't see any Alimhurst. And though kind of weird as well, because it says here it's a Limhurst camp, but the mobs are aggroed, so kind of weird. So I'm just looking, and then ikot lang, tingnan natin. So these are what the heck? Okay. I'm gonna get clapped. So most ba yan? So as you can see, those are the basic tactics. So most players will do is kapag hinahabol is palayo. So hahabulin sila. There is a chance na you can survive if you try to go the other way. So basically you have to uh, go towards the enemy. So sasalubungin mo, and there's a chance na they will let you go instead of ikaw yung habulin. Wait. Since na ang ano nga naman is mamamatay ka na rin naman, why not try it? At ang mga newbie. What? No, they're not. Hindi naman sige nga. At tapos, there's a chest. Join tayo. Oh, there you go. Alright, so we'll see. I mean, at least we have a group, and we'll see how it goes. Sayang din. That's T4. Magkano ba yan? At 3K, not bad. Amount of boys. Okay. Saan tayo? Dito tayo kay sino bang part leader? Si Karak. Ay, pinapatay yung... Ay, ginawa natin. Okay, medyo mataas. So yun nga, as I was saying, madalas kasi kapag ka hinahabol, alam mo yun, parang Congo line. So, sunod-sunod. So, habulin ka, nasa likod. And if you try to face the enemy, nangyayari dun is either ikaw yung habulin or makaligtas. So, why not risk? Even in the Black Zone, CVC, magandang tactics yun. Uy, namatay. Ay, patay. So, hinahabol nila ako, pero I mean, I'm on the oh, I'm on a mount, a fast mount. So nothing's here. I mean, there's only few lobs. So yun nga, yung feedback ko regarding the faction war, sabi ko is we'll wait for a few days or a few weeks kung ano yung magiging parang outcome ng faction war. So ito is just parang wala pang isang araw simula na sinabi ko yan. Pero there are few players, few blobs compared to yesterday. So we'll try to go to the um, bridge watch side. Medyo hindi siguro or wala dito yung pang players. Ang isang ano rin kasi isang siguro masasabi nating pwedeng reason kung bakit wala pa masyadong players is bago pa lang and due to the previous iteration nung laro, maraming maraming players ang hindi nagustuhan yung faction war or maraming nawalan ng gana to play faction war, which is why siguro dahil kaya kukonti yung players ngayon. So we'll try to teleport back to the city and transfer to Bridgewatch side, or I mean we will go to the Bridgewatch side instead. We'll see. Maybe if the news caught up with the player base regarding faction war, and there are more positive feedback. Maybe dumami din ulit yung players. So right now, madami rin naman nag-flag. And maybe that there are players na willing to try and are curious. So I'll check first if this is a red zone. Ano yung sabi doon? Umbrush? Expanse. Yeah, I think this was good. So, yun yung ano din. Kasi syempre, hindi pa masyadong kalat yung balita na hindi pa masyado kalat yung balita na hey, the faction war is quite good. So, kaya siguro kukunti pa lang yung players. So, gonna check this one. I don't know why it says check. Maybe tapos na. And then there's a 2 minutes camp up. This one is maybe this one hasn't been cleared yet. Wait, why are they camping? Huh. Feels like are they role playing? Siguro. I mean, to each their own. Yung trip niya, they go. Okay, kaya if a camp has a check, syempre, was dumb for me to go there. Okay, someone's clearing. I know this guy. He's a ganker. Oh, this one's a PvE. Hey, I know that crazy guy. Yeah, I think that they're doing the camps. So baka mangyari nga is parang with the similar with the previous iteration, yung second iteration, wherein instead of fighting, ang gagawin lang is magki-clear lang ng camps. Oh. Parang nangyayari sa papera lang talaga for points. I thought the goal of this new update is to create conflict and flat river slow tree, okay, is to create conflict, create uh, reasons for factions to fight. Pero hindi, parang same old lang. Clearly lang, and then points, that's it. Nothing new. I guess this what happens kapag ang update is copy paste lang ng ibang content. So when what I meant by copy paste is halos similar lang ito with the Black Zone faction, not faction but the territory with the new territory play. So parang ganun lang yung sistema. So naglagay sila ng territory in the yellow zone and then in the royal continent. Pero that's it. No reasons to camp aside from, well, you get points. Pero is there a reason for other faction to defend? Para mas maganda, ganun pa rin. You just claim it or you just camp it and then if it's good money and then you go there, try to conquer the said outpost. Parang ganun lang yata ito eh. Okay, we'll see more. Tingnan natin. Alright, they're fighting in the red zones. That's in the red zone, but why? It's like bandit? No, I don't think so. I mean, there's no more bandit, I guess. Right? That's a conquer. Yeah, I tried, but bruh, why are they ang red so? Okay, that's a ganker, but newbie. Okay, I'm just doing a running simulations here. Not much conflict. Oh, okay. We'll try to we'll try to bait and then get those guys here. Hey, red. Oh no. All right. Oh no, where are you going? There's one guy here. Oh, Bergenfell. Okay, that's the timer, I guess. Not under threat. I mean, I can go there with low tier. Alright, so this part, this is a outside of the city, right? So with the old faction war, especially the first iteration when I have fought a lot, is we will go here. So it's a long way from Limhurst to Bridgewatch. So we will do a long travel, pero sure fight yun. Kasi pagpunta mo dyan, you will knock, and then magsisilabasan yung mga ibang players. Mangyari yung iba, if they're doing the black zone content, is magte-teleport and then flag up sa Breach Watch. Ganun ang mangyayari nun. Or ganun ang nangyayari. But this time, hindi na eh. Hindi na siya ganun. Which is sad. Okay. I will see more. So this part is secured. So ang gagawin nila is they will have to, I guess, reclaim. Okay, try ko nga. Para meron yata ano dito eh. Merong merong transport. We'll see. We'll check kung meron yung teleport na transport. Ma-teleport. Hindi nyo pa makukuha yun, sir. Kasi nga, you have to claim yung other side. So, isa pa yan. Since na hindi pa naman nila kabisado, or, I mean, even hindi ko pa alam yung current system. So, testing muna. Testing lang. Yeah, then okay, I'm gonna try. Huli ka. Kala mo, sir, kala hindi ako marunong magkalaw. O, tara. Sige nga. Ay, nako, sir. Hindi niya makiklaim yan. Oop. O, diba? Wala nga lang. Wala kang healer. So, No point. Book. Hindi niya pa rin ma-dodge. Ano ba yan? Wait nga ako. 20 seconds ata. As you can see, medyo hindi. Solong ala ko, pero I can match their... Okay. So dito tayo, at least may buhay, tapos may dodge. And then, pwede na yata. Oh my god. Boop. Boop. Bruh. What the heck? Boink. I can't even. Okay. Ay! Okay, done. I missed there. Boop. My god. Ouch. I don't know. Alright, this is fun at least. So we're doing content. Ay! Sorry, hindi. Did he die? Bruh, all of your healers. Kaya naman pala. Walang ka-damage. Alright, I think time's up. Ooh, that was bad, bro. Oh my god. I see. Alright, GG's. I had nothing. So, walang content. Probably because nandito nga sila sa this part. So, yung I'm not sure kung dito sa red zone is you can teleport as well. Probably not. Oh, you can. Eventide. Where's that? Oh, this one? So not Badlands. Oh, only the place we're in there's an attack. So if it's being attacked, you can teleport there. How this? Umbrush. If it's so, I can go here and as well here. And for the red zone is this one. Oh, the ones with the red. Wait, what? This one is Bridgewatch and then red. As well as this. I can't teleport there. But I can teleport here. Hey, it's Streamers and then glowing red. Okay, let's try to wear a low tier. So, palit lang tayo. What else do I have here? Nothing. So, mangyayari is yeah, I will deflag and go to Bridgewatch because my gears are in there. Oh, it's done. Alright. So, yung timer na yun is still the bandit. What? Okay. So, bandit time yun. Pero tapos na. Yeah, I think it's bandit. Yeah, I'm still confused with the way this new update or the new not new content but the updated content works or how it is done. So at least merong may oras, siege timers. So you have 3, I mean 7, 9. So this one's 3 p.m. 5 and then 9 p.m. So this one's the next siege time. This one is cut off. And how do we siege? So you have to go in and then still capture the flag or the outpost to claim it. And then I think for the siege, you will give supplies. Yeah, we still need more time for this. Anyway, that should be it for now. We didn't get any content aside from the last part playing with those guys. The only problem is that well the guy swears so bad. So yep. See you next time around. We'll see more updates regarding faction warfare and kung ano yung parang feedback niya with the players. Well, I'll be checking the Discord as well as the Reddit for posts kung anong merong feedback. So with that said, see you next time around and ciao.